Good morning 10th class students. Today we start with a new lesson, problems versus challenges. So first sentence of the lesson is, we have challenges in life, not problems. It's our perception whether we take it as a challenge or as a problem. If something difficult comes in our life, we have to face difficulty. It's on it's upon us whether we take it as a challenge or as a problem. Suppose one person is very poor. If he or she takes it as a problem, then he will say that my fate is like that. I am very much unfortunate. I can't remove my poverty. I have to live with poverty. But if one person takes poverty as challenge, he will do work hard, he will do some work, he will find ways to remove poverty not from his life but from his family's life also. So these difficulties in life should be taken as a challenge, not as a problem. It is through challenges that we find solutions, not for ourselves but for others also. As I have given an example, if I try to remove my poverty, I do some work, I start some business, then I will give work to others also. I will be helping out others also, not my family only. So it is through challenges that we not only find solutions for ourselves but also for others. We serve society, we serve others when we take difficulties as challenges. So never take a difficulty as a problem, take it as a challenge. Every person in life is facing difficulties, from poor to rich, from uneducated to educated. We are facing some type of difficulties. We shouldn't take them as difficulties, we should take them as challenges. Gurbani also says, Dukh daru, sukh rog paya. जो दुख आ उन्होंने दारू के तौर पर मेडिसिन के तौर पर लेना. वी शुड टेक सॉरो एज मेडिसिन, एज not as a problem or as a difficulty. So these sorrows comes in our life to test us, to take us to the new level when we find solutions to these challenges, these difficulties. Challenges are blessings in disguise. These challenges in life are blessings. When we face them, when we find the solutions, we progress, we go on the path of progress, we develop ourselves, we develop our society, we develop our family, and we are helping out others to come out of those problems also. So take these difficulties as challenges in disguise, they are blessings in disguise. Dukh daru. Dukh daru means dwa, medicine. So sorrow should be taken as medicine. They have an important purpose. Every difficulty is having an important purpose in our life. Finest steel has to go through the hottest fire. ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਵਧੀਆ ਸਟੀਲ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਉਹ ਉਨਾ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਅੱਗ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਗਰਮ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ ਹੁੰਦਾ. So finest steel, if you want to become finest in the world, you want to go on the top of the world, then you should be ready for taking challenges, facing difficulties, not taking them as problems but as challenges. Overcome one by one every difficulty, take one at a time or two at a time, overcome that, then take new task, then take new task, go on and on and on, and go climbing on the ladder of progress in the life, go climbing on the mountain of development, mountain of growth. You will be a very successful person at last. These problems or difficulties, they exist for our enlightenment and development. From difficulties, from challenges, we get enlightenment, we get knowledge how to face them. For example, now whole of the world is facing coronavirus. What we have to do? Should we sit at home or try to find solutions? All the doctors, all the scientists, all the biotechnologists, they are all trying to find a solution to this coronavirus. When they find, they will be at the top of the world. But if they sit at home and say that it's our fate, we are unfortunate enough that this type of virus has come to the world and world should now come to an end. Not like that. We should face it. We should try to avoid it and until we find the solution. But at the same time, the people who are trying to find the solution, who are working day and night to find the solution, they will be at the top of the world because they have taken this virus as a challenge. So when finding these viruses, who knows that they find some new medicine for other other ailments also, like diabetes, like hypertension, or others like pneumonia, where vaccine is not ready yet. So who knows what comes out good from this challenge. So we should take everything as a challenge. They are blessings in disguise. Challenges are gifts that allow us a chance to improve our lives, not to worsen them. Suppose I take a challenge that I will be the best in school, best student in school. Then what do? You take it as a challenge. So what do? You shine in sports, you have to shine in studies, you have to shine in discipline. So who will get? School will get something, teacher will get something? No. It is only you who will get something out of it, who will develop yourself. You will have a new gain, a new source of growth, a new source of development, and you will earn the certificates that will be useful when you go for job, you go for top jobs in the industry. So it is only for you that these challenges come into your life. By shifting our burden from problem to challenge, any situation can be overcome. So don't say I am facing a problem, say that I am facing a challenge and I will overcome it. If you say that I am stuck in a problem, then you will say that it is a negative thinking. You will develop negative thinking and you won't be able to solve it. But if you say that it is a challenge, it is a positive impact on your mind, you will try to find solutions, you will try to find every cure for the given difficulty. So when we say that I am facing a challenge, then I will be trying to find the solution to that difficulty, then I will be able to develop myself, I will be able to grow my mind, I will be able to grow my brain, my thinking. Approaching it an entirely new light. Psychologically, having a problem means there's something wrong here. Problem means there is something wrong with me. But if I say I am facing a challenge, then it is something happening right to me. If I overcome that challenge, it means that I will be at a new level. I will be, if I take a challenge that I will go to state level, then I will clear school level, then district level, then to state level, and who knows, in the process I become able to clear the national level of study, of sports, or anything, extracurricular activities, speech, anything. So when you take it as a challenge, then it's the path of progress. But if you say that it is a problem to appear in a state examination, it is a problem to play in a state team, how can I play, I am not able. These are just negative things. You can do everything if you take it as a challenge. If you take it as a challenge, it won't let you sleep. You will be awake at 4 o'clock without your parents a single sound. You will be able to awake by yourself at 4 o'clock and you will be in the ground. If you want to shine in studies, the book will be in your hand in the early morning. Take everything as a challenge. Think that I will be the topper of the 10th class this year. Take it a challenge, work hard for that. Even if you don't succeed, then you will gain something, I say greater things. You should shoot for stars, you should shoot for moon. Even if you don't succeed, you will land in stars. Something you will gain. Don't ever think that your hard work has gone in vain. Hard work never goes in vain. So take everything as a challenge and try to find solutions for your difficulties. Thank you very much for today. We'll continue with class in the next day or next Thursday. Thank you very much.